Alright, so car show on UWI campus today. I'm walking there now. I'm not too far away. On the entrance a while ago I could hear the cars popping and such. Just taking my steps there. It's just down the road somewhere there, so we'll get there eventually. So as much as I'm a car guy, I don't claim to know every car in the world, so please bear in mind if I don't know your car, your favorite car, pull up and I don't know the name or the exact type or you know, whatever. I like Benz, I like Porsche, I like a couple other brands too, but those are the ones I know the most. I don't know if y'all seen that, but there's a lot of people here already. But then again, this is campus, so there's loads of people that live here. I never accommodate for that, like people live here, so you know, it's an easy turnout. Like if it was just only people on campus, the place would have full. I really forgot that. People don't know about UWI, bro. People live here. What do you mean? Of course there's gonna be a crowd early. What are you saying? That means that tonight's gonna be festive. We'll take a look at what's here so far. Looks scanty though. Look like we're early for real. Look very scanty. But we'll go in. Look like Infinity sponsor the lineup here. Nissan will be proud.
Yeah, right section is here.
You're a driver for one of them?
Eh?
You're a driver for one of them?
Yeah, man, that one.
Which one? Right, this?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. We have sponsored dealership here with the Haval. That's why I like trucking and just climb that, you know. I climb him, just climb that, you know. That's why I like trucking a truck. Truck, me say truck. Hilux, Prado. Truck. Electric car them out in a full support and a just gas engine. Electricity them sir. See them there. The man to meet the legend. The man to meet the legend. The reason why everybody there. You see it? Yeah, man. Put on the show. Be people there. And more a come. More a come. More a come. More a come. A low car's worst nightmare to backside. Watch out. Bro, I have 3 months to fight. Look like you want to slap somebody to drone to watch out. Me you want to slap. Take a look at intermission because of course Jeff has to eat. And I brought food from home. Brown soup, chicken, rice and peas and vegetable. But anyways, I was over there vlogging and quick little story. I got a new camera. I got an Osmo Pocket. But I clearly do not know how to use the SD card because I thought I cleared it after the last vlog, which was a karaoke vlog. I thought I cleared it. I opened up today and I only have 10 minutes, 8 minutes of free space basically to video 1080p 30 frames. So basically, I'm not on storage. I don't have any storage on that much storage on this, and I wanted to use this to vlog all night. And yeah, I guess not. So the good old iPhone will have to come in backup. But I'm going to use it until it's done. The moment it's done, I just gonna take out my phone and just whatever. But true, I'm stationary now, and I currently do not have the tripod for this. I have to hold it. Yeah, but this is pretty cool, you know. For those of you guys who don't know about it, you're probably seeing it a lot because like there are 3 generations of them now. This is the first generation, and the third one, the new one, is really good. But as you can see, it has a gimbal. It's really steady stuff. Well, if I point it down, it will look down. But it even has like face tracking. So if you take a look at it, it sees tracks my face. So if you look at it and you see it's moving, following my face. But anyways, yeah, I'm a little sad about that because, you know, I wanted to use that to vlog all day. But hey, such is life. Life always gives some kind of pitfall. So, but anyways, topping up, and then I'm gonna go back over there and see what's going on. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in action now. Just done top up. I'm gonna have to use my other phone for a mic, of course, because, well, over there is loud. If you, I don't know, I'll probably edit out the music so you don't realize how loud over there is, but over there is pretty loud. So yeah, that. Hey, vlogging in public is a beast, you know. Everybody I look for you like say, oh, who the hell are you? President Jeff. As you can see, the place get more packed, more people, more car. I'm gonna see if I can get footage of what I never see the first run around. I bet you can never guess what car this is. I'm here saying it's an Axio. And I said, no, it's a Tida. And I said, wait, them you look like Tila tail like our. Bro, it's a Zuki. And it clean. So, y'all saw the 911 and the range earlier, but it's completed now with the Boxster. Oh, I still show you the interior. Let me come back for this. It's a better view. And then, another one. What is this? No, sorry. What? Oh, e-tron GTRS. You think a joke? And this is an RSQ8, by the way. No joke. No joke. For those who know me, you know my dream car is a Cayman, but I would also get a Boxster because it's the same car. It's just that this is top down. And it's beautiful. It's beautiful. You can see it. You can see how pretty it looks. Look at the angle, brother. Ooh. Yo, this car tall, and I don't know if the camera show how tall it is, and it's tall, you know, brother. The car up in the here, you know, brother. I saw these lovely ladies. I just love their jackets. I love the whole fit, actually. Actually, yeah, good looks. If you're watching this, I only have 1 minute and 30 seconds left on this camera in terms of storage. And I'm very upset because it's been performing so well. You can see how shaky. For some reason, my camera footage today is super shaky. I don't know. I feel like I get jealous of the fact I get a second camera, but bruv, I wish a SD card would have just spawned out of nowhere right now. I swear to God, I just want one just drop on my foot. On my foot. Vex, you know? Well, I'm not really that vexed, but nah. So I'm gonna take another walk out to me I look credit. But my brethren say I want a food, so I'm gonna check the KFC live for you to see if KFC full or no. If y'all don't know Jamaica, KFC line always full. So easy me, and nothing special. But I hear something coming. So I'm gonna check KFC, bro. But also I'm going to catch footage. Anyways, back to the KFC content. Is KFC full? Yes. Yes, it is. I'm not doing this with him. I have no time to wait in no KFC line. I got content waiting for me to capture. It won't capture itself. It just won't. I'm out here stuck between a rock and a hard place. I'm trying to get some credit. I can't get no credit. I'm waiting on my bridging to forward. Him can't seem to forward. I don't know. Eventually, the credit me away pants look. I'm supposed to call him and tell him, update him on the KFC, tell him say RAM. But also I want to make some other calls so I can get back over to the show. Their car is currently revving right in front of me that I'm trying to capture. It's just too much things happening for one guy. I need a crew. Can I pay them though? Hearing that? So yeah, I come back to the same exact spot. Another little break from walking. Have some biscuit this time. Yeah. It's better hold me until I go home. When I look for buying the food, that's why I brought food. As you can see, I'm losing the light, and Jeff has no lighting equipment, not yet. I look extra dark. Oh my god, so I have to go vlog. Hmm? In the name of poverty. That's something I have to go vlog. Lordy. It's only $1 a day. You can help Jeff get lighting equipment. I'll be fine. A New Year's! Eh? People, a New Year's! Here, run it, I can catch it. Oh, Christos. Crazy. This is madness. This is insanity. Absurd. Egregious. Dunce. Stupid. Ridiculous. I'm gonna say the car scene in Jamaica is ridiculous. Bro, this is the best thing since sliced bread. I don't even know if you guys hearing me. I should use my... This is supposed to be my microphone, but right now it's my light, so bear with me, people. We're working with shorter equipment, but brother, keeping a car show on campus is the smartest thing I've ever seen in my life. In my life. That Honda is going crazy. Like I said, Mini Cooper. Ese ya claro, todo eso con ustedes, ¿eh? backside. I chat more, I chat and can't chat. So yeah man, we're there. We dog. Man, we catch each other vlog. You probably just see a clip a while ago. I already have him tag. You already see tag. So you already know where to go. You see me follow him car vlog, mad vlog. Man, I build him dream literally. Literally here building his dream in real time. In real time, brother man.
Check it out now,
Right now. Right now. Right now. Top down on everything, you know. Sorry for you glare, but the screen oil get nasty, but you know, not the screen, the lens. But yeah, top down, lower top down, drop top. Yeah. What on board? You cannot come here. I don't like crowding up, but I don't fear them. But yes, so it's packed. I can't even find bridging them. As we find them, we lose them. As we find them, we lose them. I like everything. It's a great ass looking car. And I'm sure it drives well too. I like the everything, brother. We're afraid. I don't like crowding up, but I don't fear them. I don't fear them. Oh, kill me. I'm afraid. We're there on Gully side, we're afraid. Let's look at you, so you this. Yeah, I see this. I think about this. 53.
I don't like this, but that's a feature when I do this.
Watch it. Dog, the whole of Jamaica get the memo. Sir, you cannot shoot here. Sir, this is not a shooting range.
Sir, we do not allow gunfire here.
Sir, please put up the weapon. Wing. What's up? GT 53. 53. What's up? Bro, that wind just pouring in. It's raining that wind. This is another 53 going on. Oh,
53 first, then 63 now. And then
No.
the regular one was at the front.
Them fi give space then, man. Make him. Your brother they look like somebody just say, "There's a car show going." He say, "I can bring my dirt bike." Boy, me not like this. Me not like this. I want the backside. No, sir. Una rest peace. Una rest. just learned something. When I shoot in 60 frames, it's darker. Yeah man, so we just there to take a water break. My sister the camera kinda, what you call it now, smudgy. It been smudgy. You have to go put up with the smudgy footage, you know, cause best believe I'm a style that smudgy image, you see me? I call it the starlight lens. Yeah. Oh yeah, we take a little water break, come out of the noise. The bike them bust my ears literally bust my ears. I don't even know, dog. I don't even know if I go back over in there. Our idea is that basically the road leading to this campus is basically a drag strip. You can't tell me no less. So the drive out of this place for the sports cars is gonna be intense. So I don't know. Might be crazy. We'll see. We might park outside and see what's happening. I do a vlog. I'm getting you guys for the vlog. She brought her chair. Look at it. Ready. So I think this is the third meal on the vlog. I'm kind of exposing myself. I eat like 3 times for one vlog, for one car show. I think that explains a lot, doesn't it? That's how I go. Philly cheesesteak. Apparently you can't customize it, which sucks. It's like one of the most expensive things on the menu, and I can't even put freaking barbecue sauce or honey mustard on it. It's stupid, but We're here live reporting from Mona Road, where the cars are exuberant, the engines are roaring, and the tires are screaming. I'm not sure what I can promise you to see tonight, but I'm sure it will be a glorious show. Please stay with me. Remember to like this video. Enjoy yourself. Send the roses. Grab 4? I mean, Romano, we all nearly lost our lives in the pothole. What are you talking about? Something's coming. Oh, evil. Ooh. Is that a turbo right here? I purposely got a while ago, you know. Damn bad, man. I'm already at the yard. I don't know. I don't know what's the last thing y'all see. Probably the street clips. Unfortunately, after those donuts, not really much was served after that. We only had donuts, you know. No cake, no pudding, no macaroons, just donuts. But we got 2, so we're grateful. Another successful vlog by your boy. Actually, I want to commend the Mandem. Mandem will put on this. HH Media, Shadow Break, all whoever is responsible for this. This is the maddest and baddest car show I've ever seen. And the mere fact that it's happening on the island like this, bro, that's crazy. The mere fact that y'all even got it to be done at UWI, that's crazy. The turnout, crazy. The car selection, crazy. The amount of energy is just intense. It was good. It was like, I don't like crowds, but I just, you know, it never really too bothered me for the fact that we're just there for the cars, you know. We just love and respect the game. That's it. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to HH Media. Shout out to Shadow Break. By the way, somebody recognized me today in public because of one of my vlogs. A vlog I think I made in December. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. President Jav signing out.
If you enjoyed today's vlog, please remember to like, share and subscribe. The car meets are always a delight, not on Jev's ears though. When a car pops at your feet, you kinda go in limbo, like you have been flashbanged, more so concussion grenade. If you know, thanks for watching.